So Kim, what are we doing today?
Today we are going to be fitting an Exoracing fan shroud and some spell fans with a takeaway radiator onto the shed. So, what's in the box?
Sausage! Yes.
So this is the Exoracing fan shroud, fitted with two spell fans. What was this, the 1560?
Yeah, 1560.
So it will be more than enough for the NA really fast car. Yeah, so moving on. So we've got that, and then we'll fit that to a nice radiator because the one in here is toast.
Yep, let's have a look at that. Oh no.
Look at this rad cap. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah.
That looks really swampy.
Yeah, that's disgusting.
That is pretty disgusting.
So...
we need to get rid of that. Ow! Ow! Right, Kim, what's in the box? Ah, yes. Ow. Yeah.
And we have the nice new takeaway radiator ready to go in. So one of the main features of the takeaway radiator is that you can play it as a banjo. So these have been designed with a 3D scanner. So we scanned in the old radiator to make sure it would fit. So here's the moment of truth.
Very nice.
So we're going to take out the old radiator, drain it up, and then fit the new stuff.
Yes, we are. Time lapse.
Got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. Got to pump it up. It didn't collapse.
Nope. Right, what next?
Now we need to drain this radiator.
So Kim, how are you getting on down there?
Yeah, pretty good. We've made a mess.
Yep.
Pretty good situation. The radiator bung is screwed, so we just ripped off the hose.
Yep.
And made a big mess.
Made a big mess. Very nice.
All the mess. Now we can start taking out el radiator. Oh yeah, buddy. And then we need to
What's next?
This old faithful.
Yep.
And that is the light loom. So that is all ready to come up now. What else is there? No. There are some 12mm nuts down here. We'll get them.
Oh!
Oh,
So the radiator is now good to come out. No, it's not good to come out. He's got a problem. He's got a leak. And the radiator is nearly good to come out.
oh yeah.
How you getting on there, Kim?
Yeah, a bit more.
Yep. That's it. One old Mazda radiator gone. So, as you can see, this is one big old fan, which sits out pretty far. The new ones that we've got in here much more flush, more high powered. The core's thicker as well on the radiator, so you shouldn't have any cooling problems. And he's now got twin fans. That's Scotty, we know him. So Kim, what's the plan now?
Now that the radiator's out, we've got to figure out the wiring. This is the old radiator wiring.
Yep.
Fan wiring. And then figure out which way the fan's going to go up. And bolt it up before we put it in.
Yep.
And then put it in, fill it up, drain it. Drain it, bleed it.
Bleed it.
Bled.
You got this.
Bled.
Cutscene.
So when you get your fan shroud, it will come with the fans half bolted to it. But we don't know what orientation you want to use, so they're never done up fully. You will receive a pack of bolts and washers to attach it to either an alley radiator or the standard radiator. It will go on either.
Look at these. Bolt her up.
Look at these washers though. Look at those washers. Look at that. Look at
beautiful.
Would you just look at that? Would you just look at that?
So Kim, what's happened?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you can learn from my mistakes.
What have you done?
If you haven't already transferred, oh yeah, that's stuck now. These bobbins, these little bobbins here to mount your radiator, fit them to your radiator before you try and fit your shroud. Otherwise you're going to have a bad time. I can tell you that.
He didn't read the instructions. Hello Kim, what have you done now?
Nothing.
What have you done now, Kim?
Everything's okay.
Okay, he doesn't want to tell you, I'll tell you. So, he cable tied this plug because he's only currently using one, and realised that he had the radiator the wrong way around. So, he's now going to have to, you know, cut the cable tie off that one, cable tie the next one up, and we're never going to finish this video. So, after 6 hours of us standing here watching him cut cable ties off and put them back on again, we're ready to go. We're professionals.
Right. Switch it down, these have got to line up there.
Right Kim, how are we getting on?
Yeah, all good. It is in, which was absolutely no problems at all. Just fell in like a chipolata down the hallway.
So he's just tightening those bits up over there, and we're going to cut this plug off in a second and put the old one on, just so it can bolt nicely into his fresh loom. So Kim, what are we doing now?
What we're going to do
Yep.
is we're cut this off the old fan, and we're going to cut the plug off the new fan, do a quick, and then it'll work.
What was that?
A quick,
and again?
And it'll work.
And again, and
one more time. Oh yeah, solid snips here. Oh, look how well they are.
Kim's doing really well here.
See your dodgy tools. You're the wrong tool for
These
the
are
job.
actually Kim's.
That is a lie. Look at that. That's not doing anything. We're gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way. Well then, wiring loom expert.
What? Yeah, what? Right, so the next thing is to test that they're round the right way. A lot of the time it doesn't matter, but we're just going to double check just to make sure.
Are you ready? Yeah, go on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey.
Look at that. And again. Very nice. And we've tested it works, so we can now put them together. Right, let's test it. Let's test it to make sure. Right, the moment of truth. Can we wire? Very nice.
I smell smoke.
We did it.
So we're just gonna tape these up, make sure they're waterproof, and then fill up, let it bleed, and it's job done.
Yep. So Kim, how did it go?
Proof is in the pudding.
Yep.
The pudding is the proof.
The pudding is here. So everything went in, bolted everything up, we're just bleeding it now, and then we're done. That is it. Currently we only have one of the fans working though, because they're on switch, so it's easier rather than to change fuses out. Yeah, done pretty well. Got it all in there, everything's good, everything works. Beautiful. Any last words from Kim? So we've finished the radiator, fan and shroud install, and we're now out in the Mazda.
Mazda!
Right guys, that was our fan shroud installation video. We have quite a few of them available on the website. Currently, at the time of this video, we have the MX5 Mark 1, we've got the Civic EK, we've got an FN2, we've got a single EP3, we're going to make it a twin as well. We also do have a super radiator on the way, or fan shroud, sorry. I think that's about it so far, isn't it?
DC2?
Oh, we have a DC2 case swap also that fits the Koyo rad. But they're all the ones we have at the minute. We're obviously going to expand the range, so there will be more shortly. Thank you for watching the video. Let us know below if you do get any problems or anything else installing them. We're happy to help. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Okay, we won't. Do you have something to say?
Yes.
Go on then.
Yes, I do. So, I'm an idiot, and I managed to fit that pretty much without any help from this guy. So, in fact, you were just a hindrance, if anything, the whole video.
So. I'd say so.
So,
I mean, I was filming. How am I going to help when I'm filming?
I don't know. I don't know.
We did it.
But yeah, if an idiot like me can fit one of these fan shrouds, then you can also fit a fan shroud to your car. So yeah.
Over and out.
Remember to stretch before you work on your car!
Stretch.